Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing this little thing. It's a NM Engineering short shift kit. So we're going to be installing that on the Mini. To do that though, you basically got to take the whole center console out to get to underneath the shift knob. So we're going to get that going right now. With pretty elaborate instructions. It's actually 24 steps to get this thing installed, and then you got to put it back together. It actually doesn't include the reverse, so fun times. So we're installing this today. We've got to take all of this out. Actually, we've got to take the whole center console out, and we've got to get this to fit underneath the gear knob. So you have to take out this screw in there as well, and then we've got to disassemble the back of the armrest and take the armrest out. We've already taken out the kick panel, and there's a bolt right here that you have to get out to remove. You have to remove all of this to get to. We're going to tighten it back up and put it all back together. So we got it all put together again. It's a little shorter. I don't know if it's worth the 2 hours of work. It's maybe an hour and a half. But we're gonna take it on a test drive and see. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. While you're down there, go ahead and subscribe. That helps us a lot.